Hi, welcome to the channel. Well, today is an odd job. Actually, we're repairing the ratchet. Yeah, the ratchet is actually not doing anything anymore. So I got a kit and of MAC tools, and we're gonna be putting the ratchet back together. I already stripped it and cleaned it, and I'm just gonna try to put it all back together. Right, first things first. The tiny little spring goes inside this hole. Right, and I've got a little bowl. Right, spring in the bowl. Okay, I think I'll swap this socket. Just make sure it's all springs. Yeah, no restrictions there. I did wash it out, so hopefully it's clean enough. Well, that's in. Right, now I need to put this back together. The little switch, again with a spring there. I think I might want to. I just done a job on the car, so my gloves are a bit past beyond the salvation. And then you've got a little pin. Right, that goes inside there. We even got the instructions. Yeah, always good to read the instructions. You actually can see that goes into there. Then obviously you put that into the ratchet's head. Actually, before I do that, I wonder if there's any washers or anything like that needs to go over, because we've got a lot of O-rings and stuff like that supplied. The reason the O-ring listed, let's have a look. Yeah, there is an O-ring. I think that O-ring will go over that. As you can see, I've never actually had to do that before. That's better. So now the O-ring gone. Oh, that's from the other side. Okay. That's in. A wee bit of grease won't hurt. And now we can put this pivoting thing in. It goes this way. That's it. There's another O-ring goes around here. I already popped that in. Well, that's back together. Now we've got the cover. And new bolts. As you can see, we've got some more spring washers on the bolt, but that's for the flexi head ratchet. So if you've got the flexi head ratchet, then that would go into there. And it's typical, the wind is picking up and blowing everything away. But because we don't have a flexi head, I don't have to do that. See, the old one had a Torx 9 because the holes were so contaminated. The new one bolts at Torx 10. And it works. And the ratchet is back to normal. So it's not too complicated inside. Fine teeth. A smear of grease inside. And that's it. I know that's an old one, but we even have to repair on tool sometimes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.